Welcome to Lockedin AI. In this video, I'll guide you through using AI Master to get real-time answers during your online meetings, making it easier than ever to succeed. Let's dive in. To start a session, follow these 3 simple steps. Enter meeting details. Input your meeting information, including the organization, role, and objective. This allows us to tailor the AI's responses specifically to your needs. For this example, I'll use Financial Advisor. Upload your documents. This helps AI Master remember your relevant information and customize its responses to you. Check your microphone. Ensure the correct microphone is selected. If not, reset the permissions in your Chrome browser and reload the page. After completing these steps, you can begin using the Meeting Copilot. For more personalized assistance, you can also adjust the optional advanced settings. We offer 2 main features. Meeting Master. This feature is designed to provide real-time responses during your meeting. Meeting Coach. This feature evaluates how well you speak, offering feedback on your performance and suggesting improvements. Both features are enabled by default, but you can customize them as needed. The AI Master settings allow you to adjust the length and style of the Copilot's responses, choose from 42 supported languages, and configure process time and filler words. Now let's start the Meeting Copilot. Once connected, share your entire screen or a specific Chrome tab, and be sure to enable the Share Tab Audio or System Audio option. For this demonstration, I'll use a Google Translate page, but this also works with video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Slack, or Discord. Just open them in your Chrome browser. Congrats, we're all set. Let's see it in action.
What are the key reasons to consider investing in U.S. 10-year Treasury bonds?
Additional features include auto scroll, pause, or the option to hide the meeting coach, making your experience even smoother. After installing the extension, you can also use a shortcut to analyze any tab. Here, I'm using a finance question as an example, and the analysis completes in less than 2 seconds. Once you've finished your online meeting, you can review your conversations in the History tab. Feel free to join our Discord channel on our homepage if you have any further questions or need additional assistance. We're here to help.